So here we are with the brand new Hantek. It's a 1000C, that's the serial number. Turn it around. That is the software running. As you can see, we're running positive fire secondary. We've got only one setting change, we've changed it to 10 kV. It's running fine now, nothing's hanging, everything's good. Yeah. The vehicle has got DIS positive on this side. There's the clamp attached to the cable. The earth is attached to the battery. It can be attached to the engine, but it's more difficult, but it doesn't make any difference. Let's start the car. And already we can see it's gone nuts. And it beeped, see? Beeping, cutting out. Let's try a lower kilovolt. You can hear the computer beeping, see it's hanging. It's doing nothing, that's the default factory setting, 2 kV, it does nothing. It's just beeping. Utter piece of junk, doesn't work. Right, while we're here, let's close this software before it crashes the actual port. We'll go Pico. Get rid of this one. Unplug this. Brand new Pico. 2204. Yep. Plug in. Hook in the same port. USB port. Automotive. We have actually this working on automotive, and where are we? Ignition. Same thing. DIS positive fired. Loading the data. Goes to here, I don't want this. We'll get rid of the view. Where are we? Let's go to. Oh, we've got to plug the Pico in the other end. Okay, opening devices. Hopefully we've got a red light coming up, which is good. We've got signal happening somewhere. Oh, we've got instant happening here. We can actually modify it now to suit like what I had on before, 10 kV. We can put the trigger point down. I can grab it. Use the mouse, hang on a second. Say somewhere around 2.2. And there we're getting a waveform, as you can see. Quite a good one too. So, it just goes to prove that the Hantek 1000C with the same leads, same connection, engine is still running, doesn't work, crashes itself, crashes the computer eventually to leave it running long enough, versus the Pico, which does the job and works perfectly straight off the bat.